Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
Hi, and welcome to Hot Wheels for You. It's time for a Hot Wheels giveaway. Hey Mac, what are we giving away?
Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway.
That's right. This is the Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway, just like the one we use to film our videos here at Hot Wheels for You. On April 1st, 2021, April Fool's Day, we will give this amazing track set away to some lucky subscriber in a random drawing. The Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway is 8 feet long and can be extended to any length by adding Hot Wheels track pieces. It features an animated lights and sounds finish gate, which announces the winner of each race.
Racers, pick your lane. Winner, lane 5.
It also comes with 6 cars, so it is ready to race right out of the box. This is a subscriber-only drawing. For a chance to win, be a subscriber or subscribe to this channel. Like this video and leave this comment. I want to win the Hot Wheels for You Super 6-Lane Raceway. That's all you have to do for a chance to win. This is a USA only drawing. The prize will be given away and the winner announced in a YouTube video on April 1st, 2021, April Fool's Day. Good luck, and thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You.